Morning all, it's 4 o'clock in the morning here in Sydney. I got some real good traffic through for my keto, low carb chocolate crackles. So I'm gonna replicate that, but I'm gonna use two of my favorite ingredients, white chocolate and peanut butter. I hope you enjoy. Okay, I'm gonna set my Kofa. Just for you who don't know, Kofa is like a coconut butter. No white chocolate. Microwave for 2 to 2.5 minutes. Okay, that's melted white chocolate and the cover. I'm gonna add peanut butter. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. It's probably better unless you want to get it all chunky. And mix and mix and mix and mix and mix. Make sure you refrigerate for 1 hour.